Okay, this is Mr. Ho with your practice test. Start with number 1. 1 over secant is cosine of x, in this case negative x, and the opposite angle identity says that cosine is even, so there's no more negative sign on that. Okay. Number 2, this is the double angle identity for sine, so that's going to be sine of 2x. Number 3, this is the cofunction identity for secant, which will give you secant of x. Number 4, this is the quotient identity, and this will be cotangent of x. Moving on. Number 5, simplifying, we have the sine of x times cosecant, which is 1 over sine of x, and these cancel, and that's 1. Number 6, sine squared of x minus 1 is a difference of squares, so that's sine x plus 1, sine x minus 1, all over sine of x plus 1. These cancel, and the answer is sine of x minus 1. All right, number 7, we're verifying, so we're going to make one side look like the other side. I'm going to FOIL out this sine of x plus cosine of x. And when I FOIL this, make sure you do all the pieces, which will give you sine squared of x plus sine of x, or 2 sine of x cosine of x, plus cosine of x, plus this one up here. Then I know that sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x, that's another one. And 2 sine cosine is a double angle, so that's sine of 2x plus 2. Check. Number 8, this is a longer one. First, the opposite angle, this negative sign on the sine comes out here, makes that positive. But the cosine will take that because it's even. So now we'll have 5 sine of x minus, and the cosine of 2x is a double angle, and I want to keep everything in sine since everything else is in sine. So I'm going to have 1 minus 2 sine squared of x minus 11. I'll just work with the numerator. I'll leave the denominator for the next step. So now this, distributing the negative sign, I get 5 sine of x minus 1 plus 2 sine squared of x minus 11. Combine my like terms, and I get 2 sine squared of x plus 5 sine of x minus 12. Factoring that out, you could use the x. Make sure that you take the 2 times negative 12, which is negative 24, and the 5 goes down here. What makes that work is 8 and a negative 3. Divide by a, and this will be sine x plus 4 and 2 sine x minus 3. All of that over this, so that's sine of x plus 4. That cancels, and we're left with 2 sine x minus 3. Check.